All right, traders, good morning. Why don't we have a look at what we have running on the VIP side before we start with this US dollar. All right, we have this Euro Yen running that we got. I mean, this was a perfect entry. And right now we're moving stop losses to below today's lows. I mean, this is a slam dunk trade. If you want this kind of trades sent to you, well, just click the link below this video, right? Why don't we go ahead and use and see and watch what has happened with the DXY. So yesterday on my show, I was talking about the DXY being on a pullback structure, retesting that 94.15 level, right? So this was triggered for us to look for shorts on the DXY, right? Even though some of you might think that it was a little bit anticipated of the move because we were still inside of that pullback structure. Without looking at the pullback structure, we were retesting this massive level, right? Now, on the long term, why don't we look at the forward chart here? On the long term, we are now, well, if we calculate the move of the flag, right, from the pole, from the breakout, we are still a little bit ways to go. But now, we are retesting the 93.58 level, right? We're retesting the 93.58 level. Well, the this move seems to be very strong, right, on the bearish side. We are below today's ADR, etc. Now, what to do here? What we are going to do is basically look for shorts again. Now, the impulsive moves are to the downside, so we need to look for shorts. That is how we trade. We don't trade these chopness. We are going to trade the downside of this market. And how are we going to do that? Well, we are going to look for pullbacks in this market, right? We are near that. Those previous broken highs. So this is where we are going to get some bullish pressure, and this is where we are going to look for pullbacks. And where are we going to look those pullbacks to? Well, to this previous zone around the 93.67 to 93.77, right? So pullbacks towards this zone should trigger the next leg down. So heads up to that because this is where the money is made. And I will be sending my VIPs those trades. If you want to do that, if you want to, well, be part of the VIP team, just click the link below this video. Use code 21OFF to get 21% off of your subscription. Now, well, what markets am I going to be playing this? Well, I don't know yet. When we have a look. So, the market that I really want to play this on is the Euro USD, maybe the pound US dollar, right? But those are the two that I'm watching. Why? Because these are the two markets that have broken with some heavy levels to the upside, right? So a bullish pullback on the DXY would equate to a bearish pullback in the Euro USD and the pound US dollar. So I'm looking at the 1635 level or so for pullbacks on the Euro USD, and on the pound US dollar, I'm looking for pullbacks towards those highs that just got broken with around the 3780 or so. So those are the markets that I really want to play this possible bullish pullback for the next bearish move on the USD. So heads up to that. Remember, I'll be sending all my trades to my VIP, so don't miss that and hit the link below this video.